Hello, it's Mike from the FXPivotPoint.com. For those that aren't familiar with the system or who I am a trader a hedge fund manager who created a system labeled Trading in the Black. Trading in the Black simply means you moving your account from red to black. And most retail traders spend most of their time in the red, and this will get you out of it. Alright, so if you come to the ForexFocus.com, which is our free forum dedicated to helping traders trade, and specifically to helping traders trade the TIB system, you can just click on the site, and I removed all the gimmicky sales stuff and told you how to trade the system, and also want you to get this free pivot indicator. So you just click here to download the pivot point indicator, and it's something we'll talk about later and something you'll need. So go ahead and download that and put that into MetaTrader. Very, very strong pivot points. So let's take a look at some very straightforward trades. Alright, yesterday we had a signal. Again, for those that aren't familiar, the system is called Trading in the Black, and these are the arrows are signals. Obviously buys, downs for sells. Alright, let's hide you. Nope, don't want to see that. Let's see if I have my tool. Let's bring up my tool I used to write on the screen. 1 second, please. Alright, so what do we have? We have 3 opportunities, and for those that don't trade the system or don't know about it, this is 3 for 3. We won't go into how the system takes the signals or profit targets or anything like that. You'll have to get the system in order to delve further into that, but you can see it's a very successful system. So what do we have here? Let's just talk about this new day. Alright, so we moved into the new day. We know that this is the FOMC day from a fundamental perspective, which often means sell dollars, and you can see they did. But we can see, let's just talk purely technical. Alright, so we move into the day and we're below the pivot point, but we're in a very tight range below it. So we should be thinking stay out. And we also we're also starting to get this little trend line. So we just stay out. You just sit in the sidelines, and you shouldn't be trading right here anyhow, because this is not the meat of the Asian session. Oftentimes you veer away from the Asian session if you're new. Alright, so we moved into the heart of the Asian session and a little bit into the European session, and you can see we're still very bullish, and we moved down, and now we hit the pivot point, right? And then we get this massive bullish candle, and that's pretty much a buy. Even if you weren't trading my system, Trading in the Black, this is a massive buy. We're spending most of the time the heart of the Asian session and into the European session above, so we're still bullish. And then we get this massive bullish candle above, and we're buying, and our profit target should be right here or near 3100. Alright, so you're right there. And now we move in and we chop, bring it back down. Let's talk about the second trade and why it's a very solid trade. Alright, it's a very solid trade. Let's take away the fact that you're not trading in the black. You should be, so you need to get the system, but let's just take away for a moment that you aren't. We have R1 right here, which will often act as support in an up move. We also have a big psychological level. Psychological levels, if you don't know, are discussed in-depthly in the book also. And the psychological level here is 3100. So we're sitting on 3100. So that's one reason to take it. We have a psych level. We have R1. And we also have support or resistance becoming support. So notice we have this little box of very strong levels, and we have 3 factors that will really help us take this trade. It will really cement our our resolve to pull the trigger here, and we do, and it goes and hits our profit target. So that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to show you how some very easy technical setups, and I also wanted to show you the Trading in the Black system. For those that aren't familiar, it's a very successful day trading system that trades on the 15-minute time scale. So let's go and take a look at the Focus again, the forexfocus.com. Alright, a free site. Go check it out and sign up. Interact with the traders here. There are traders here that aren't trading my system. So if you are interested in the system, check out I can't speak today. The fxpivotpoint.com and get the details of the system. Alright, have a great day. And also, don't forget my YouTube channel for you. Those that are new, if we check on YouTube, I have lots of information on my YouTube. The fxpivotpoint.com. Lots, this is all free videos on technical analysis, and you can see there are quite a few. And I analyze the market based on pivot points and my system. So lots of information here. Alright, thanks for watching, and we will talk to you later.